The E-Myth Revisited is a powerful guide for small business owners who want to grow and scale their businesses. By adopting an entrepreneurial mindset and creating systems and processes that allow the business to run without constant oversight, owners can build successful businesses that deliver consistent, high-quality service to their customers. Here's a point-wise summary. 1. The E-Myth stands for the entrepreneurial myth, which is the mistaken belief that small businesses are started by entrepreneurs who have a specific set of skills and talents. 2. According to Gerber, most small business owners are not entrepreneurs, but rather technicians who are good at the technical aspects of their business but lack the skills to grow and scale their business. 3. To succeed as a small business owner, Gerber recommends adopting the mindset of an entrepreneur, which involves working on the business, not just in the business. 4. This means developing systems and processes that allow the business to run without the owner's constant involvement. Gerber calls this the franchise prototype, which is a model for how the business should operate that can be replicated and scaled. 5. Gerber also emphasizes the importance of understanding the customer's needs and delivering consistent, high-quality service. This requires creating a clear and compelling brand identity and developing a customer-focused culture. 6. To implement these ideas, Gerber recommends creating a written plan that outlines the business's vision, mission, and goals. This plan should include specific action steps and timelines for achieving them. 7. Gerber also suggests creating job descriptions for each position in the business, including the owner's role. This helps ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities and can work together effectively. 8. Finally, Gerber emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and improvement. Small business owners should always be looking for ways to improve their systems, processes, and customer service to stay ahead of the competition.